Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Most of you are aware that two players got injured on our last game against 11 Wonders this previous week that just passed, and today I'll be giving you updates on their injury situation. If you are new here, you know what to do. Subscribe right now and click the notification bell. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. Two players got injured in our game against 11 Wonders. First, it was Augustine Okra. He came out injured in the first half and was replaced by Evans Adomako. Then in the second half, Latif Anabila got injured and he was stretched out of the pitch. And today I'm going to give you the injury situation. For Latif Anabila, he had an MRI scan yesterday and the results came out that he had some serious injury problem, but it's not as serious, but it will take him 2 to 3 weeks or even 4 weeks to recover. So right now Asante Kotoko are a midfielder down, and they will look for Master Konado will look for a way to replace him, and hopefully the club doesn't miss his absence. Then secondly, Augustine Okra, his injury isn't that serious as Latif Anabila's, but reports are stating that Asante Kotoko won't play Augustine Okra this weekend against Berekum Chelsea. So Latif Anabila and Augustine Okra are out of the Berekum Chelsea game this weekend, unless probably if Master Konado doesn't like what he sees in the training, he might force Augustine Okra back into the team in the weekend. But reports are currently stating that those two players will miss the game against Berekum Chelsea. Latif Anabila was replaced by I think Emmanuel Sarkodie. Yes, so I think Emmanuel Sarkodie might start against Berekum Chelsea, while either Evans Adomako will also start against Berekum Chelsea, or Maxwell Konado will go for a 4-4-2 with Kwame Boko and Osman Ibrahim up front. It will be very, very exciting to see how Osman Ibrahim and Kwame Boko will link up front. Evans Adomako played well, but not the way we expected him to play. Sometimes he brought the ball backwards and we expect him to attack. So it will be interesting to see Osman Ibrahim and Kwame Boko up front. So that is the injury update. Latif Anabila, Augustine Okra are out of the Berekum clash, and it will be interesting to see how they are replaced and how the squad can cope without him. So if you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe, click the notification bell. That is the update for today. Subscribe. Till next time. Peace out.